Come to in front of me a HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how loud is speaker on this device. So I'll do that with the help of the decibel meter. So I'll just enable the device, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This means that when the decibel meter will register the higher volume, then here on the display you'll see, then here on our display we'll see the changes of the value. So let's start. So as can you see, our HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite reached the 108.6 decibels. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.